my dear friends, this is Rajesh Mahapatra. I hope all of you are doing well and happiness. In this session, I'll be telling you about the concept of what is custom image in Google Cloud Platform, why custom image is required in GCP. Apart from this, I'll give some real-time example and scenario so that you can easily understand it. Guys, let's get started. Guys, as you can see here, what is custom image in Google Cloud Platform? Custom images are user created snapshot of VM instance. They capture the state of VM at a specific point in time, including the operating system, installed software and data. You can create a custom image from an existing VM instance in your GCP project. This allows you to customize and fine-tune a VM to your specific requirement and then save it as a reusable image. Custom images are useful when you have a specific configuration, software stack or data setup that you want to replicate across multiple instances. They provide a way to standardize your environment and save time on manual configuration. Custom images are created by GCP users from existing boot disks or snapshots. They can be used to create a new VMs that are tailored to a specific need. Custom images are good choice for running applications that are required specialized software or configuration. For example guys, a custom image of a VM that can run a custom web application and it can be used to create a new VMs that are running in the same web application. Now I'll guide you why the custom images are required in Google Cloud Platform. Custom images are required in Google Cloud Platform for a multiple reasons like customized software and configuration. It means guys, custom images allow you to create a VM instances with a specific software configuration, libraries and setting are to your specific requirement or in your desired requirement based on your project. This is particularly valuable for applications that have a unique dependencies or specialized configuration. Public images may not include all the software or configuration that are needed to run a certain application. Custom images allows user to create images that have a specific software and configuration that they needed. Guys, to improve the performance and scalability, it means guys, custom images can be optimized for a specific application and workload. For example, a custom image for a web application can be optimized to improve the performance and scalability of the application. Guys, the pre-installed application, it means you can include the specific application and services in a custom image, saving time during deployment. This is especially useful for applications that are frequently used or require specific version. Guys, let's consider one real-time example so that you can easily understand it. A company might create a custom image of a VM that is running their software. Guys, this would allow a company to easily deploy their software to new VMs without having to install and configure the software on each VM individually. This is the important point guys. The company doesn't want to configure the software on each VM individually, so that they want to create a custom image and it would allow to the company easily deploy their software on new VMs without having to install and configure the software on each VM individually. Guys, another example, like a research organization might create a custom image of a VM that is pre-installed with all the software and data that is needed to run their research experiment. This would allow the researcher to easily deploy their experiment to new VM without having set up each VM individually. That is the advantage of the custom image, guys. For another example, a game developer might create a custom image of a VM that is pre-installed with their game and all the necessary dependencies. This would allow the developer to easily distribute their game to players without having to worry about the players having the correct software installed on their computers or not. Guys, now I hope so you can understand the custom image in Google Cloud Platform. In the upcoming session, I'll show you demo all the custom image and machine image so that you can easily understand it. Thank you and have a great day.